All right, what is up, guys? We are back again. You know we never stop. Friday the 16th, 770 today. I made one win. I'm just off. I need to really lock in, especially after the loss I just took, the little crash out spree, whatever, over trading, over leveraging, blah blah blah. I need to lock in. So I got some Apex accounts. I've been talking about them a little bit. I'm just gonna lock in one trade a day, $500 risk. Keep it at that. I'm going to show that I'm profitable. I literally just need to follow my rules and then just keep staying consistent, and I will be profitable. If y'all want to see the live execution, just stick to the end. I'm going to post a clip of me just executing this trade live at the end so you can see my thought process. Anyways, let's get into the trade. Could have been way more today, but honestly, after coming off of these past losing days and this over leveraging, I just wanted to secure my profits. I'll go into exactly what I did. If you're today, honestly, was pretty obvious. Um, anybody, if you caught this fucking all the way down to Asia, you're a fucking him. 4 to 7 9 is super fire. If I hadn't lost the past few days, I would have at least caught this 2.7 to London, and I might have held a runner to Asia or something. But since I had undergone these losses past few days, I just closed out right at 7.5. There you go. Cool. So let's just restart. What did I see going into the day? If I just move this bar back to so that you can't see that one. Going into the market open, we can see that Nasdaq hadn't dumped at this time. So Nasdaq was pushing up slowly, slowly, slowly. We had an SMT at these highs because ES at London highs just started to dump. We took out London lows, we took out Asia lows, while Nasdaq stayed above both of those. So we're creating SMTs at the lows. We're also creating SMTs at the highs over here. But what makes me so bearish? Not only are we inside of this 30-minute gap to the left of us, we also on the 4-hour had inverted this small gap here. So on ES or on Nasdaq, we didn't respect this 4-hour gap to the left, but on ES we did. So if we go to the ES 4-hour, you can see that we had came down, respected this gap. Now we're pushing up. That should make us bullish, right? Going in before I had seen the session liquidity, I was bullish because on the 4-hour over here on ES, even though on Nasdaq we didn't respect this 4-hour gap to the left, on ES we did. Nasdaq inverts this gap, so I'm thinking, hey, we might be bullish going into the day. But I can see right here that ES had taken out the London lows, took out Asia lows, and created what? Equal lows at this hourly gap. So if you've been watching me for a little bit, you know that I really like to target gaps as an area of liquidity. So we have this hourly gap below us, and we created equal lows at it, right? While we're SMTing the highs inside of a higher time frame gap. So then what do I see once market opens? So not only did Nasdaq already take out these London highs to the left, but off the open, we also pushed up and put in this SMT right here with these highs to the left of us, right? Because ES over here did not push above them. So we have this down to here. Market opens, we chop around a little bit. We chop, we chop, we chop. I'm waiting for an entry. I'm going to go over to Tradeovate to actually show the exact entry because I took it on the 30-second, and I don't have 30-second data on my trading view. Sorry, I'm not going to pay $100 a month. So you can see here we have this 30-second gap that we barely put in. We inverse it to the downside. I enter right away. So that 30-second closed right here. Stop at the high right here. And then target at London lows. I put break even at this intermediate high or this internal high right here. Cool. Could you have put the break even right here? Yes, you could have. However, I just thought it was too close to my entry, so I wanted to place it at the next internal low. And I wanted to just kind of ride out this trade until Nasdaq took out this hourly gap down here, or till I saw something I didn't like. And I'm going to be honest, had I had a little bit more balls, had I believed in my trade, had I not lost and been like a tick away from my away from my TP the last 2 days. I mean, y'all probably got caught on that shit too 3 days ago that I was crashing out because that shit fucking edged my TP, and I didn't want that to happen again. So what did I do? I went break even here. I also took off half the position, so I entered with 10 minis, so pretty much 1 micro. right here. I took off half, so I let 5 run down to these lows. We also, one of the main reasons why I took it off is because I've just been super scared of SMTs recently. And at this low over here, you can see that this low, or this low right here on NASDAQ, at the time we had taken out right here. So at the time, we had taken out these lows on NASDAQ right here, while on ES we did not. So I just, at my break even, we had a small SMT, which shouldn't have been something I should have been worried about, but I did just take off half my position just in case. So I secured 250 in profit there. And then as the trade ran, we pushed down here, and then ES, while it's still up here, if you look at my cursor, you can see on this candle, ES was still up here, so we were creating an SMT at these lows. So I just brought my TP up a little bit to right here. And then once we rebroke that low, that's TP right there. I didn't wait for London lows. If you waited, you could have waited for Asia lows. You could have caught way more. But I just wanted to take what I'm given and really just be out of the trade. I was just feeling a little nervous. I was just like, I just want to be out of this. So secured 770 pretty much. And that's pretty much it. Honestly, super simple, super clear today. It was NASDAQ with the session lows below, had Asia and London, and ES, which just with this super obvious equal lows, hourly gap. One of the main reasons why I shouldn't have closed with ES when it was at this SMT is because we did put in equal lows. So ES put in equal lows, even though it was an SMT, like we have equal lows below us, we should still draw there. But besides that, pretty clean trade. I just really want to stick here. Let me put it like this. I just really want to stick to my plans the next weeks or next few weeks. I just want to one trade a day. If I lose, I'm off. If I win, I'm off. $500 risk, so just 1% risk on these 50Ks and just get them passed. I have this 50K now. It's at $1,500 balance. So I'm just going to keep trading this 500. Once I pass this one, because I have been trading these Apexes one at a time, I'm going to trade the last 3 all at the same time, just to save some time. I don't want to be on these evals, just trying to pass evals forever. I have 3 PAs already, so I have 3 activated accounts that I want to trade all of the activated accounts. Because just to quickly go back into it, I bought 10 Apex accounts, and I wanted to see how many I pass if I go one at a time. And I'm just going to trade all of these funded accounts once I have them all passed, all at the same time with low risk. I might even risk 0.5%, so like 250 a trade or 300. But we'll see when I get there. I'll see how I feel. I just want to just stay consistent, do what I need to do, and just not crash out because I really just over leveraged and took trades I wasn't supposed to. So I really just want to stick to my plan, take one trade, risk $500. If I lose, I'm done. I'm going to recap it on here. But that is going to do it for today. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you disliked it, give it a dislike it. Dislike it. But come back tomorrow, I guess, if you want to see. If you look over here, you see if I have it. Whiteboard right there. You can't really see it well. Here, I'll pull this. Got a big ass whiteboard. I'm gonna post that video tomorrow. I did some motivational shit, so stay tuned for that. Sunday the recap's coming. Y'all know I'm posting every day. If I'm taking a trade. Yesterday I didn't post because I didn't take a trade. A lot of people got chopped up. Here, let me go. Let me actually open this shit up. A lot of people I saw posting got chopped up in this bullshit from yesterday, which was just this chop up here. And it's just like we were just barcoding yesterday. Like there was nothing to take here, in my opinion. I just feel like anything I would have taken was just doing too much. It just like didn't really, I just wasn't confident in anything happening here. We were just going side to side, side to side, side to side, and everything I feel like was just lower probability yesterday. So I just watched that shit and didn't take a trade. But I'm really proud of myself, honestly, for not hesitating. I didn't hesitate. I saw the setup. I took that shit, and it paid off. So stay tuned for more if y'all want to keep watching me grow. Have a great day.
Order filled.
Got it. Right here, there's a 30-second inversion. Go break even at that high right there. All right, break even. Once we re-break this high, I'm going to take off half my position. Or re-break the low. Once we re-break the low here.
Order filled.
There we go. So I'm off half. Took out 260. Let the rest run. Yeah. And next I got my TP at London lows. But if EFs comes and takes out this hourly gap as well, I'd be out. Oh my god, super wick. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Let's see if we continue down after that or not. Holy shit. Looks like we're losing momentum. Not on ES though. ES is pushing. Yeah, that was that 945 candle. Holy shit. But on the new macro now, we came up, we made an open super high, and now we're kind of going back lower. ES has this 1 minute inversion. Let's see if this gap holds or not. Did ES not take this out? 990.25. Okay, ES made equal lows here. We are SMTing the lows. Are we gonna get this inversion now? Yeah, because I want these London lows, but I just realized we did SMT these lows. So if we're gonna like invert up now, oh, maybe not. Let's see. See what happens. I put my TP here.
Order filled.
Yeah. I move my TP. The general sorry, these whitening strips. Damn, these whitening strips are getting me. The general indecision with these like wicks and shit, I just didn't really like. We're also SMTing these lows, so it's like just gonna take my profit here. Could have held it, but honestly, all right. And it looks like full TP is getting hit right now. Oh my god, it edged London lows. Let's see. Is it going to take it out? Yep. Original TP would have got hit.